everyone, I'm Kevin Gerard with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Located in Niagara's beautiful wine country and surrounded by many popular vineyards, wineries, and breweries, this stunning farmhouse with full wraparound porch is situated on over 1.3 acres with breathtaking views of the escarpment and a fantastic 44 by 32 foot detached garage and workshop that can accommodate over 6 vehicles. Enjoy wonderful country living, just minutes to all amenities in Beamsville or in Vineland, as well as easy highway access to Hamilton, Toronto, or Niagara. Welcome to 4065 Greenlane. The open concept main level is filled with natural light and offers an excellent entertaining space for your friends and family. There's a beautiful farmhouse kitchen, this gorgeous sunroom, and a separate living room at the front. There are 3 bedrooms on the upper level, as well as 3 full baths throughout the home, including a glass walk-in shower on the main level. The fully finished basement offers a cozy rec room with gas fireplace. There's a private office, a full bath, a laundry area, and a separate walk-up entrance. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.